So I'm just going to show you how you can easily install Anaconda. Currently I'm on a Windows machine, but you can do easily the same thing in a Mac. I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda on a Windows. The first thing you do is to go to the Anaconda website. Anaconda is actually very popular for anyone working with data science. Anyone who has done Python development will know about it. So let's do that. Let's download the individual edition of Anaconda. So for Windows, 64 bits. So we don't need to pay for it because we are just using this for individual use, and just have to wait until it's downloaded. So it seems like he has finished downloading, so I'm just going to run the install. I have a previous version of Anaconda installed, but so it's going to ask me to replace it. So let's add Anaconda to the path environment variable. Better this way, so that later on you don't have issues finding Conda in your environment. So it has completed the installation. I already have PyCharm, so I don't need it. Okay, so now let's start Anaconda. So you can see here, this is the Anaconda navigator. So before I click on any of the applications here, I want to create a new environment for whatever we are doing. So I'm going to create an environment called GPU by bot. We're going to use Python 3.8. So the advantage of using Anaconda itself is, first of all, you can use any Python version you want to have, and you can have more than one version of Python, which you can pick depending on what you are doing. Another advantage is that you can create environments like this, and you can use these environments to install the libraries that you require, and you don't have to worry about incompatibilities with other libraries that might be installed in your system, because this is an isolated environment. And yeah, let me know if you found it helpful, and I'll see you again soon. Happy coding!